Welcome children. How are you all? Good morning. Welcome back to our math session. Today is Monday and today today's date is 14th September 2020. You can also say today we are going to start our new chapter number 5. What is the name of the chapter? The way the world looks. What is the name? The way the world looks. Okay. Now here in this chapter, children, first of all I would like to tell you that for our next exam you have to prepare chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. So please start doing practice of the exercise of chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. I think so that in this month, in the last week, I think so it will be conducted. So not confirmed, but it is like that. So please do the practice of chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. Okay, so come back to the point now. Now what we have to see, different views of object. What is object? Object means a thing. And what are the different views of that object we have to see. Now which are the view? So which are the types of the view? Top view, front view, side view and back view. From this only you come to know what I want to say. Now I have some here objects. We will see all the different 4 view of that all objects. Okay, so let's start. So see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 objects, and one by one we will see the different views of this object. Okay, so first of all we will start from Ganpati Bappa. Okay, so let's start. See children, can you see the statue of this Ganpati Bappa? Yes. So which view it is? It is the front view. Which view? It is the front view of the Ganpati Bappa. So this is the front view of the Ganpati Bappa. Now we will see the side view. Okay. Now see, this is the side view of the Ganpati Bappa. Front view we have seen. Now this is the side view. This is the back view. From back side we can see. So this is the back view of the Ganpati Bappa statue. And now this is the last view, that is the top view of Ganpati Bappa statue. So from this you come to know what are the different types of views. Children, please guess which view it is. Yes, it is the front view, right? Now this one from back side, so it is the back view. Now we will see side view. So this is the side view of the boy. And now this is the top view of the boy. So which view it is? This is the side view, right? This is the side view of the car. Now this is the front view of the car. Which view? Front view of the car. This one already we have seen. Side view of the car, right? What you can see from the side view of the car? You can see 2 tires, door and side seats you can see. Now see, from the front view what can you see? You can see the glass, this headlights and this bonnet, right? Now we will see the back view of the car. So this is the back side, or you can say the back view of the car, right? Now we have to see the top view of the car. So this is the top view of the car. Okay, you can see only the rectangular shape of the upside of the car. Now this is the front view. This is the side view. This is the back view. This is the top view of the duck, or you can say sparrow. See, this is the front view of the box and the horse. This is the side view of the box and horse. This is the back view of the box and the horse. The box on the both side, it has the same cover. So this is the back view. And now this is the top view of the horse and the box. See children, this one, this is the front view of this showpiece. This is the side view of the showpiece. This is the back view of the showpiece, and this is the top view of the showpiece. So from these different examples, now you come to know what is the top view, what is the front view, what is the side view, and what is the back view of the object.